Welcome to Bright Beginnings at Home, where little minds shine and big adventures start. I'm so happy you're here. Today's letter spotlight is G. G is for glasses. Glasses help people see the world clearly. They come in all sorts of cool shapes and colors, making them a fun accessory too. G is for grapes. Grapes are juicy and sweet, and they come in green, red, and purple. When dried out, grapes turn into raisins. G is for grasshopper. Grasshoppers can jump really high compared to their size. They also make chirping sounds as they hop around in the grass. G is for gift. A gift is a special present you give to someone to show you care. Gifts are given on birthdays, holidays, and other happy occasions. G is for gorilla. Gorillas are big and strong but also very gentle. They live in forests and love spending time with their family. What is your favorite G word? Let's trace the uppercase G. First, place your finger on the number 1. Move your finger round following the dotted line. Leave a small gap. Now place your finger on the number 2. Move your finger to the right following the dotted line. You did it! Yay! You can pause the video and practice as many times as you like. Parents, here is a guide to help teach your child to write the uppercase G with pencil and paper. Happy writing! See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.